Hi everyone, welcome to a simple yet very special celebration of my birthday. This night happened here at Pinoy Tambayan Resto Bar located at Aabre Hotel, 7th floor lang po in Alriga, Dubai. A place that truly feels like home, with delicious food, good vibes, and authentic Filipino taste. Kung naghahanap ka ng lasa ng Pilipinas sa Dubai, this is definitely the place to be. So, kwento ko lang, nauna nga pala akong pumunta dito kasi kailangan ko mag-reserve ng table. Excited na ako that time kaya maaga talaga akong dumating, charot. After that, sumunod na nga lang din ang mga kaibigan ko and guess what, naligaw pa nga sila. First time lang din kasi nila sa location na to. Kaya yun at na-late sila konti at napagod kakalakad. Sorry guys pero ang totoo gusto ko talaga kayong pagurin noon. Joke lang. Worth it naman 'di ba? Ang pagod, charing. Then comes the highlight of the night, charing.
Okay, blow your candle and make a wish. Happy birthday! Thank you so much.
We had a dinner buffet nga pala and honestly, the food was so delicious. Lasang-lasa mo talaga ang pagka-Filipino. After eating, nag-inom lang din sila ng konti, may kantahan, may diskuhan, and puro tawanan lang, yung iba naman nagsiselfone. Enjoy lang talaga, walang arte, walang stress, just good music, good people, and good vibes. Those simple moments, yun yung hindi mo makakalimutan. Hindi man in grande ang celebration, pero punong-puno ng saya at pagmamahal. Nakaka-touch naman. Thank you so much to everyone na nagpunta and alam niyo na kung sino-sino kayo.
Itong ganda nito mukhang babae yun. Babae ka ba? Parang transgender. Magsawa? Ha? Magsawa? Ah? Oo. Wala ka lapitan ng putok na. Ito naman, video ng picture, hindi ka nagkakapon. Maganda ka rin ha. Kamukha mo si Jackie. Oo, si Jackie ng itsyo.
Thank you for your time, your effort, and for being part of this special day. Kahit pagod, kahit late, kahit hindi sabay-sabay, you still showed up. And that means everything to me. The birthday reminded me that happiness doesn't need to be grand. Sometimes all you need is good food, good friends, and a place that feels like home. And thank you to everyone who celebrated with me. Here's to more memories, more laughter, and more celebrations together. Before this video ends, I just want to give warmest thanks to everyone who gave me a gift. From the bottom of my heart, I love them all more than the gifts themselves. It's the thought, the effort, and the love behind them that truly matter. Joke. Baka kasi magtampo yung mga na-invite ko na hindi nakapunta kasi nga may mga lakad din sila and may mga sariling appointment. Yung iba naman may part-time. April yan. May God bless us all with good health, happiness, success, and more beautiful moments together.